Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Sorting multi-indices is important because many slicing operations only work on sorted data. Let's create a multi-index series object with indices that are not sorted, and then try to slice it. So here's the series object with random data. It looks like so. Now, as you can see, the cities are not sorted. Let's see what happens if we try to slice the object from Columbus to Denver, for example. Yeah, that's right. You get an unsorted index error. So let's sort the indices. To do that, we'll use the sort index method. And now the data is sorted. Columbus, Dallas, Denver, Seattle. Now the indices are sorted and slicing will work, as you can see over here. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.